Hi everyone. Thought I'd put my happy little face on for everyone to see today. Busy day today. I am currently going down to Dewey Beach to talk to some people to see about getting a bonfire permit. Traffic is really heavy out here right now. I'm going to see what the options are. This time of year, they only give out so many permits because they don't want the whole beach lit up with fires. But we are going to ask some serious questions and see if I can't get a permit, at least hold one until my family comes down so they can take care of the rest of the work. Then as soon as I turn around from there, I'm going to the cancer center. I have blood work to be done today, and I have an oncologist that follows right after that, and that's going to determine what my appointments are for the rest of the week. I am scheduled for immunotherapy tomorrow, but that is subject to change if we can't resolve some other issues going on. So, see what I can do with the permit, doctor visits, and then I got family coming down, which is should be really nice. So let me get to driving. See ya. Yay, traffic. So I am done my doctor visit today. I was in there for about 40 minutes, I guess. This is sort of what's happening right at the moment. I'm going to skip another immunotherapy treatment, which was supposed to happen tomorrow. They are not going to give me that treatment because of the side effects I'm having. Now, with that being said, I'm having the side effects because the cancer drug is most likely still in my body causing it. So they're not raising a bunch of alarms at this point, like the medicine is not in me, because they believe the medicine is still in me, which is causing the effects. So it's going to be basically skip this immunotherapy treatment. I skipped the one that was 2 weeks ago as well. And they're putting me back on prednisone, which I'm not really looking forward to because it really screws badly with my leg. It really causes me almost not able to walk because of the swelling. But what's more important? I've got to be able to get rid of some of these side effects that are going on my body so I can resume treatment.
Hi.
Hi.
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere, and that somewhere is here.
And we're headed to the beach.
Free parking.
We've got 2 vans behind us full of people that are going to the beach with us.
2 vans.
I am not guaranteeing anything as far as the filming is concerned. We're going to have fun and hang out with family.
We'll get something.
And actually, I'm going to leave it to him. I did my duty when we went with my family. It's his turn. So if we get some footage, it's on him. To get some footage of his family. It'll be less weird if you get it. But yeah, so we've got Mom, and we've got Aunt Tina and Aunt Leona, and sisters. They're his sisters, and their whole families. So all in all, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 people between all of us. And we're gonna go have a bonfire on the beach. So yeah, we'll see ya when we get there, hopefully. Like I said, we're not promising anything. I'm beat from work today. He's already beat. But we're gonna go have some fun.
I'll put on a smile, but I'm dragging. I'm dragging.
We're gonna go have some fun anyway. We'll go cool off in the ocean, and it'll be nice. See you guys shortly.
Try to wait for the towel. For the cup. I know it is something. I think it's everything.
Whose cup is this?
Hi, Mom. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi, how are you?
Wave, everyone. Because after all, if we don't get 100 likes, it never happened.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, stranger. I don't know you.
Hello.
Hello, we're video now. Where do I look? Where do I look?
Hi.
You're down there somewhere. All right, let's go have some fun. You're live.
Oh, hi.
Hi, hi. It's not a still shot, it's the actual vlog.
Oh, what do you know about that?
Well,
Hello.
Yeah, so
Oh, here, we're legal.
we're legal.
We got
We're
this.
illegal. We're gonna put that in the back of the blue chair, so that way we have a place for it, okay? My kite don't have enough. Why that is. What's going on? What's going on?
Well, the kids are, you know, in the cold water.
Too bad. Just gotta get used to it, right?
Gotta get used to it. Lord, they're not even deep.
Well, not even what?
They're not even out far, and it's that deep.
Oh, it's high tide.
Besides the fact that the ocean has now kicked my ass. And I can't
beep.
beep. And I can't see because my eyes burn.
Yeah, I can't even see us.
I can't either.
Yeah, just,
Nope.
nope. Ain't
Nope.
gonna happen either.
Nope.
Nope.
Nope. Can't see
Nope.
me.
Nope.
Nope. I'm still looking.
We're in there. We're in
I'm
there
looking
somewhere.
for shells. I'm looking for shells. I'm getting beat up by the waves.
Shells.
Shells.
everything I thought it would be.
Set it next to your mom can sit on it.
Put it right there. That's your
What are you doing?
Looking very like the beach.
Jack, why you gotta sit on mom's box? Okay, so we had a really, really, really good time on the beach.
Should we put a light on? I can't really see me.
You can.
You really can't see us either. I can't put a light on now.
But anyway, so it was a good time on the beach with family. It was great to see everybody. Love them all to pieces. Now we're headed home. We're going to get showered up and ready for bed. I have to work tomorrow. Blah, blah, blah. Same old story. Anyway, Lacey asked to do high-low. So we're going to do high-low again. Lacey, why don't you start?
So my high was getting to go to the pool with family, go to the beach, get pizza, and go swimming and stuff. And then my low was getting burnt. So I forgot to put sunscreen on. So oops.
You?
My high was definitely just spending time with family. It's time is a predator. It comes after you and it's relentless. And so when you have the opportunity to spend time with family, and you've got to take it, you've got to embrace it. So that would definitely be my high.
Your low?
I really didn't have a low. I mean, other than waking up and having to straighten the house up in the heat. Actually, the heat was probably the low part. The heat really tore me up today.
Earlier today the heat was bad. High, definitely spending time with family. I mean, it was great. Sitting there on the beach and talking to mom and talking to Tina and Leona and all the kids and helping Jack get seashells. It was a lot of fun and I really enjoyed it. And it was a nice afternoon and evening. Low point, work. Is going to work, but at the same time, I'm grateful because I did work an 8-hour shift today, and then I was still able to go to the beach and hang out with family and have a good time. And that's a really kind of a cool thing. So yeah, there you have it. There's our highs and lows, and we're gonna go take showers and go to bed because we're all really sticky, icky, and gross. See you all tomorrow. Have a great night.